Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is birthday decoration ideas. A birthday comes once a year. Everyone wants to make it memorable. For this, we try to do something special. As they celebrate it well, they take gifts for him her. Nowadays, there are also different themes such as doll theme, Doraemon theme, Spider-Man theme, flower theme, purple theme, pink theme, or some favorite characters also included. Outfit is according to this theme. Let's all about making the birthday person feel special or creating a magical atmosphere. With these decoration, we are sure to achieve that. Let's begin with a stunning balloon arch. Inflate balloons of different colors and sizes and attach them to string a fishing line to create a beautiful arch. We can place it above the entrance or use it to a backdrop of the cake table. For an elegant touch, let's go for a simple and stylish look. Use floral centerpieces with twinkling fairy lights woven through them. Sprinkle some glitter or confetti on the tables and add some personalized place cards for each guest. Thank you for watching my video.